Hi guys, welcome to today's video. If you need a little motivation to get things done today, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're tackling laundry, going grocery shopping, and meal prepping for the week. So grab a coffee, relax, and let's get productive together. I'm starting off with putting a load of laundry inside of the washing machine, and then we're going to head over to Aldi's and ShopRite. I will be doing a full shop, so I will be sure to share everything that I picked up. I forgot to record inside of Aldi's, so I'm taking you guys along with me over to ShopRite, and as you can see, it's raining outside. I'm going to go over really quick what I purchased from Aldi's and ShopRite. I bought some soy sauce, olive oil relish, meat sauce, mayonnaise, maple syrup, ketchup, mixed vegetables, pudding, chicken thighs, ground beef, breakfast sausages, milk, yogurt, bread, and eggs. I also bought potatoes, rotini noodles, ground turkey, different kinds of chicken, fish, green pepper, avocado, broccoli, bananas, sweet potato, cheese, cinnamon rolls, and sugar. So now let's get started with meal prepping. I'm starting off with cutting up the sweet potatoes. I'm making a sheet pan with some rice. Inside of the sheet pan is going to be sweet potatoes, turkey kielbasa, broccoli, green peppers, and onions. Because the sweet potatoes is going to take a little longer, I went ahead and put that in the oven first. I'm going to cook that for about 15 minutes before I add the other ingredients.
It's right in front of me, a different energy. Try out a different play, won't let it waste away. I got it, feel the adrenaline when I step out on my own. I try to see it like medicine, I feel it in my soul. I can't go, can nothing stop me, no give up, no, I know I won't. It's already in motion, I go full speed ahead.
I kept the sweet potatoes in the oven a little bit too long. Instead of 15 minutes, I kept them in there for about 20 minutes, but everything still turned out fine.
Full speed ahead, I'm back on track. I go full speed ahead. I go full speed ahead. I go full speed ahead. I go full speed ahead.
I purchased this 10-piece glass storage set from ShopRite. It was on sale. The food that I'm currently cooking, I'm going to be storing it inside of these glass containers.
It might not be an easy road. I know it's gonna be worth it though. No, it's gonna be worth it though. Now I got it. Feel the adrenaline when I step out on my own. I try to see it like medicine. I feel it in my soul. I can't go, can nothing stop me? No give up, no, I know I won't. It's already in motion. I go full speed ahead.
read your letter. Guess this is better. You win sometimes, lose sometimes. No need to apologize. It was the distance we had between us. It broke us down in disguise. No need to apologize. But I can't help that I miss you now, and I need to reminisce this, cause we're still at our moments and they keep coming back to me. I can't help that I miss you now. I can't help that I miss you now.
Now that all the laundry is done, I'm going to fold everything up and put it away.
Things are not meant to be, even if it's hard to see. I'll try to let go. It's not easy, you know. Some things are not meant to be. Let's skip the apologies. But I can't help that I miss you now, and I need to reminisce this, cause we're still at our moments and they keep coming back to me. I can't help that I miss you now. I can't help that I miss you now.
Never met someone like you, felt something like your touch. I wish we would have met tonight. Sure, I've had lovers in my past, won't lie, I've had a blast, but none of them had your humor. They can't compare, no one could ever do, nobody's close to you, yeah. One night's not fair, what can I say to make you never leave this room? I need you to stay a little longer, how about forever, yeah. I need you to stick around for later, how about forever, yeah. You feel so right now. It's taking a lifetime. I need you to stay longer, how about forever, yeah. Wanna get to know all your friends, bet I'll be loving them. I'll try to make them love me back. It won't be like it was before, easy when hearts are pure. I'm falling hard and falling fast. Oh, they can't compare, no one could ever do, nobody's close to you, yeah. One night's not fair.
We are reaching the end of today's video. I really hope that this video gave you the motivation that you need to get some things done around your home. If you enjoyed this video, definitely like and subscribe. I want to thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.